In this video, we are going to see what happened after the volcanic eruption in Hunga Tonga. It's an island near to the New Zealand, and here you can see the satellite images of the volcanic eruption. The volcano's eruption registered 7.4 on the Richter scale, sending the plumes of gases and ashes at least 12 miles in the atmosphere. A booming sound after the initial eruption was heard as far as New Zealand, which is around 1,500 miles away from the place of explosion. Even in the United States, the government has requested the residents of coastal areas in the much of the west coast, Alaska, and Hawaii to stay away from the coastline and move to the higher grounds. This underwater volcanic eruption is estimated to be yielding 10 megatons of explosives, which is estimated to be around 500 times as powerful as Hiroshima nuclear bombing. The gases are so massive that it rises around 20 kilometers to the sea level. And these are the effects on the coastal regions of New Zealand, where the waves are hitting from the sea to the banks of New Zealand. Here are the satellite images showing the effect of volcanic eruption before and after. The greenery is taken away by the plumes of gases due to massive volcanic eruption and left behind the terrain into complete grey.